Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this high impact cordless impact wrench from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this tool is made by DIYToolifz. Comes in a very nice black molded plastic case. So let's open it up and look at its contents. Okay, it comes with an instruction manual. So this is a 7-in-1 impact wrench kit. You have the impact wrench, and then you have 6 sockets, 14 millimeter up to 22 millimeters. And if you look very close, you can see the sizes etched in to the socket itself. It also came with 3 O-rings and 3 pins, and if you needed to lock the socket in, you could just insert it through this hole into the hole of the anvil, and it would keep it in place while using. And even though it doesn't come with a battery, I'm glad it accommodates the DeWalt 20-volt battery. Okay, let's put the DeWalt battery in and then take a closer look at its features. Okay, now that we have the battery on, let's take a closer look at the features of the impact wrench. It has a 1/2 inch anvil on the end to accommodate 1/2 inch sockets. It has a rubber coated handle for ergonomic comfort and grip and to help reduce vibration. This is the activation switch here. It's currently locked. To unlock it, you press the button on the side. This would allow the socket to rotate clockwise for tightening. Press this in on the left side and it will rotate counterclockwise for loosening. It has an LED light that will stay on for a period of time as long as the switch is activated. Here at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, it has a battery indicator light. You have to kind of match the trigger. You can see there's 3 green lights there. Means it's a full charge battery. It has 3 different speeds and torque settings. You have to match the trigger once to see, but number 1 is 0 to 1200 RPMs with a torque of 500 foot-pounds. Press the button again here. You have number 2 speed, which is 0 to 1600 RPMs or 700 foot-pounds. And then speed number 3 is a maximum 2000 RPMs or 900 foot-pounds. Then you have the reverse. And while in reverse, you have the maximum torque of 950 foot-pounds or 2100 RPMs. Now it has an auto release while in reverse. So you press this button here, all 3 lights are on. And you can see when I pull the trigger, it stops automatically once it detects there's no torque or no pressure or tension. So when you're loosening a lug nut or something, it'll prevent it from backing all the way out if you need that feature. It has a brushless motor. You have some vent holes and ports there to keep the motor cool. So let's give it a try. Okay, I'm going to loosen one of the lug nuts on my lawnmower wheel. It takes a 21 millimeter size socket. Okay, I'm going to put it in reverse. Okay, I don't have it in the auto release, so it will remove the lug nut entirely. So you can see that was very fast. So let's go ahead and install it back again. Press the button on the right, rotate it clockwise to tighten. And I have it on speed 1 torque. And you can see that put it on very fast. So this auto release will loosen the lug nut, but will not take it off all the way. It will automatically stop. It stopped by itself. So that's a good feature to have if you don't want to totally remove your lug nut at that time. So let's press the button on the right, put it on the right torque setting, tighten it up. Okay, let's take off one of the lug nuts from my vehicle. It takes a 22 millimeter socket. I put it in reverse. That fast. So let's put it on initially by hand. I don't want to cross thread. Get it started. Push the button on the right to tighten it at the right torque. So this works fantastic. I was very impressed with the performance of this high impact wrench. I really like the auto release lock feature that it has. And even though it doesn't come with a battery, I'm glad it accommodates the DeWalt 20-volt battery. And it's great that it comes with 6 different socket sizes. And it's really great to have this hard shell plastic carrying case that can be locked here if needed. So I highly recommend this cordless high impact wrench from DIYToolifz.